butterflies. Hey, little guys. Hello, babies. Hello, little guys. You all right, little guy? Aww. He's got his blue ball? Of course he does. I thought John was supposed to be back here by now.
Oh, no,
Oh. Well, he's got a bike now, so he can travel. Hey, you. What are you doing over there? Come on. Go join the rest of the crowd. Come on, you're just sitting there all by yourself. You're just shy, huh? I'm just shy. Are you shy? You? Yeah. Oh. Well, clearly they all enjoyed their salad.
They love salad and celery and carrots.
Yeah. They're like, we can get higher. I'm sure we can. You can't get higher yet. You're not big enough yet. I'm sure they jump on the box, but they want to get up there because they're saying, what's up there? Because they're nosy like little kids. No. These are like, I'm just going to eat lettuce, that's all. With no hands. Look, I can eat with no hands. I have no idea. And why is that other one like running rangy over there? Well, they're all four over there now. Is that Skitsy over there that's doing the running? But he's like, you know what? I'm just eating my lettuce. Just leave me alone. The other one's eating celery. So, like, yeah, them two are like, we're fine. The other two are like, see, now they have more room to run around in. That's what they needed because they're at that age where they need to get around. So now, next week they'll be a bit bigger because they're going to grow really fast. Look like barn rabbits. That's because you are barn rabbits. You're actually jackrabbits.
Bigger than a
About that big.
crazy.
How about the size of a kid? That's what I'm saying. This won't hold them forever. This will hold one for a little bit of time, but eventually, no, they're going to get about the same size as a kid, which is about 10, 12 pounds. So you can't have 4 10, 12 pound rabbits sitting in this one tiny little cage. Right now, they're tiny and cute. They're going to get bigger. So when that time comes, it's that time. Oops. And which one might you be keeping?
That one.
Oh, the one with the lettuce. You sure it's that one? Oh, he was the last one to show up. He was the big one hiding in the corner that we couldn't find. Hey, what are you doing there? What's that? A finger? Is that a finger? Is that a finger? Hello? See, all they need is a chance to like run around. They can't just stay huddled. They're happy. When the lights go down, you don't need to cover them up. When the lights go down, they'll go to sleep. They'll be fine. Just like Ricky. All right, done.